Welcome to Psalms and Tides, a quiet place where the words of Scripture meet the gentle sound of the sea. In this episode we listen to Psalm 20, a psalm of prayer, blessing, and confidence in the Lord. It begins with words that are tender and strong. The Lord hear thee in the day of trouble. The name of the God of Jacob defend thee. This psalm reminds us that when we're in need of help, we're not left to stand in our own strength. The Lord hears. The Lord sends help. The Lord remembers. And the Lord saves. As the waves move softly beneath the reading, allow your own heart to rest in this quiet truth. Some trust in chariots and some in horses, but we'll remember the name of the Lord, our God. Bring him your needs, your concerns, and your hopes, and let his word lead you into peace. This is Psalm 20 from the King James Version. God bless. Psalm number 20. The Lord hear thee in the day of trouble. The name of the God of Jacob defend thee. Send thee help from the sanctuary, and strengthen thee out of Zion. Remember all thy offerings, and accept thy burnt sacrifice. Grant thee according to thine own heart, and fulfill all thy counsel. We will rejoice in thy salvation, and in the name of our God we will set up our banners. The Lord fulfill all thy petitions. Now know I that the Lord saveth his anointed. He will hear him from his holy heaven with the saving strength of his right hand. Some trust in chariots, and some in horses, but we will remember the name of the Lord our God. They are brought down and fallen, but we are risen and stand upright. Save, Lord, let the King hear us when we call. Thank you for spending this quiet time with me in tonight's psalm. I hope these words of Scripture, together with the gentle sound of the waves, have brought you peace, comfort, and a deeper sense of God's nearness as you rest. Psalms and Tides continues with a new psalm every day, Monday through Friday, here in the Sleepy Psalms podcast. Until next time, may the Lord bless you, keep you, and give you quiet rest in his word.